Welcome to Education Technology, a complete guide to input and output. Devices of a computer. Computers rely on input devices to receive data and output devices to display or communicate results. Understanding these devices is essential for using a computer efficiently. This guide explains their functions, types, and examples step by step. Step 1. Understanding input devices. Input devices allow users to enter data into a computer. These devices send signals that the computer processes. Common types of input devices. 1. Keyboard, used for typing text and commands. 2. Mouse, controls the pointer and selects items on the screen. 3. Scanner, converts physical documents into digital files. 4. Microphone, captures sound input for communication or recording. 5. Webcam, records video and enables live communication. 6. Joystick game controller, used for gaming and simulations. 7. Touchscreen, allows users to interact directly by touching the display. 8. Stylus, a digital pen used for precise input on touchscreen devices. 9. Barcode scanner, reads barcodes for product identification in retail. Step 2. Understanding output devices. Output devices display, print, or transmit the results of computer processing. Common types of output devices. And monitor, screen display, shows visual output from the computer. 2. Printer, converts digital files into hard copies, paper output. 3. Speakers, produce sound output from the computer. 4. Headphones, provide private audio output. 5. Projector, displays computer content on a larger screen. 6. Plotter, prints large-scale graphics used in design and engineering. 7. Braille display, converts digital text into Braille for visually impaired users. Step 3. Understanding input-output, I/O. Devices. Some devices function as both input and output devices. Common types of I/O devices. 1. Touchscreen, works as both an input touch and output display device. 2. External hard drive, allows data to be read, output, and written, input. 3. USB flash drive, stores and transfers data between computers. 4. CD/DVD drive, reads output and writes input data on optical discs. 5. Fax machine, scans, input, and prints, output, documents. Step 4. Choosing the right devices for your needs, for typing and general input. Keyboard, mouse, for creative work. Stylus, scanner, plotter, for gaming. Joystick, game controller, for communication. Microphone, speakers, webcam, for large displays. Monitor, projector, for storage and data transfer. USB drive, external hard drive. Step 5. Conclusion. Understanding input and output devices is essential for efficient computer use. Each device serves a specific purpose, enhancing the overall computing experience. Whether you are typing, designing, gaming, or communicating, choosing the right input and output devices will improve your productivity.
That's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found this information useful. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to EduTech 360 for more exciting tech insights. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay curious, stay innovative, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.